Creating a news website on Blogger is a great way to share articles and keep readers updated on current events. Here's a step-by-step guide to setting up your news site. Set up your Blogger account. Sign into Blogger and click on Create New Blog. Choose a name that reflects the theme of your news website. Select a theme that is clean and easy to read. You can customize the design later. Choose a layout. Go to the theme section and choose a layout that allows you to display headlines, articles, and images clearly. Some themes are built for news websites and allow multiple posts to appear on the homepage. Create news categories. In the Pages section, create different pages for your news categories, such as world news, politics, sports, entertainment, etc. Link these pages to your menu for easy navigation. Add news posts. Start publishing your news articles under posts. Each post can be about a different news story, and you can add images, videos, and links. Enable widgets. Add useful widgets like popular posts, recent posts, and labels to help visitors navigate your content. Optimize for SEO. Use SEO techniques like adding keywords and meta descriptions to improve visibility in search engines.